All right, Seconds Counts TV. This is Seconds Counts, and I'm bringing to the table the XP Pro Fusion Firearms. I just got it, new pickup. Bringing to the channel the XP Pro Fusion Firearms. Just a little something to whet you guys' palate. The XP Pro Fusion Firearms. The XP Pro. We're going to outfit her with the EOTech. The EOTech optic. That's what we're going to outfit her with, the E-Flex EOTech optic. And just want to bring you guys a little something. Like I said, it's a new pickup for 2025, the XP Pro Fusion Firearms. New pickup for the channel. You guys have a great weekend, and we'll see you in the next video.